Free Bitcoin? Too good to be true? I tested it out so you won't have to. But after I cashed out, I think you should give this a try. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Wealthy Value, the community for informed people looking to become financially smarter. This video is sponsored by Freecash. I accepted because they have a strong reputation and they provide a good opportunity for people looking for cash to start their crypto journey. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to our weekly videos, where we cover the future of business, innovation, and finance. As usual, this is not financial or investment advice. Bitcoin has become a widely accepted form of payment, with its value going up seemingly each day. Everyone's looking for ways to buy it relatively cheaper, or even earning it outright. But what if I tell you that you can earn Bitcoin by simply filling up surveys and playing games on your phone? Sounds too good to be true, right? I thought so too. Until I was actually able to cash out from Freecash.com. This website has paid out over $2 million worth of crypto, cash, and credits since its inception. Now let's get into it. Bonuses and rewards. First off, I recommend you claim the daily bonus and follow their Twitter account to be able to receive 60 coins. If you have a promo code, which will be in our description down below, you'll get another 100 coins. And if you download their app, you'll receive another 150 coins. That's a total of 210 coins or over $2 just from signing up and using the site. Let's check out top player bonuses. If you're a top player with the highest daily earnings, you can get up to $500 worth of coins, which you can cash out daily. They even have a monthly top player bonus with bonuses up to $2,500 monthly, which is just insane. Clearly, these guys are making a living just using this website. Hundreds of dollars a month just playing games and doing surveys. How exactly do you earn? Earning in Freecash.com is simple. All you need to invest is time. First, go on to the top left and click Earn. From doing 10 to 20-minute surveys to downloading and playing games on your phone and PC, this website offers a variety of tasks you can do to earn points, which converts into money when you cash out. For every 100 coins, you get $1. And with a payout threshold of $5, payout is easy and fast. Let's check out what surveys we can do. Let's check out what surveys we can do to earn from the featured offers today. Here, we have a survey that will take approximately 23 minutes to complete and will pay 70 coins. Let's check out some other options. Wow! Would you look at all that money we could earn by dedicating maybe an hour of doing surveys? Let's check out what we need to do in this one. It looks like it's a survey for ads and such. Let's check out games. As you can see, there are a number of games you can play to earn coins. For example, King of Avalon gives you 7,830 coins if you fulfill all the conditions, which in this case could be different for you. Download and open the app. Reach city level 13 and redeem your points. Now, this is for new users only, but don't worry, there are a lot more you can play and earn from this website. As you can see, I just need to open this link from my phone and get an email with the link. Let's see how withdrawing works. There are several ways to make withdrawals. Let's click Cash Out. From gift card credits, like Amazon, Visa, Netflix, and more as you can see here, to in-game skins in CSGO, Roblox, League of Legends, and even Fortnite. But we're here specifically for Bitcoin and other crypto like Ethereum, Litecoin, and even Doji. I would recommend cashing out through these methods. In fact, we're going to try out cashing out what we have right now. Let's click Litecoin and put in our wallet code. Now choose the amount you want to withdraw. Click Withdraw, and there you have it. The easiest way to earn Bitcoin for free in 2021. Congratulations! What are your initial thoughts about this service? Please tell us in the comment section. And if you liked our video, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content about money making and everything crypto. I'll see you in the next video.